Hello friends, today's topic Nifty at peak. Can we invest money in markets even now? I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. For the last 9 months or so, Indian stock market have been on a general uptrend. Nifty has risen from around 19,000 to close to 25,000 as of now. This is an appreciation of around 31%. Most investors would have made good profits due to the uptrend since most stocks have gone up by at least 20% or more since October 2023. Many investors also keep asking us in the comment section on whether they can invest for long term even now or whether it is too late. Some people are regretting that they did not invest a large amount of money. Others are feeling FOMO, fear of missing out, and investing in stocks as if this is the last chance to invest. All these thought processes are not right. Reasons that it is not too late to invest. Number one, suppose you are a person who is having at least 10, 20, 30 years. It is never too late to invest since over the years, overall stock market will appreciate further. Of course, starting to invest early in life is very helpful. But starting is more important than postponing and never starting at all. If you asked an investor around 10 years back whether markets were at a high level, he would have said that they are at a peak. But today, the stock prices of good companies are much higher. Similarly, you may be thinking that the stock prices are very high now, but 10 or 20 years later, you would be happy that you started to invest today. Two, even if you're already 55 years or more, you can still benefit from stock markets. You can learn how to invest for short term and make additional income on a monthly basis. Apart from this, some amount of money can be invested for 6 to 7 years so that you can get the benefit of long-term compounding. So don't think that now that Nifty has touched new lifetime high, we should stop investing for long term and short term until there is correction. When and how much correction may happen cannot be accurately predicted. Many people make the mistake of changing their investment approach depending on the market level. Your approach should be the same. For long term, time in the market is more important than timing. It means that you need to invest as early as possible and invest for as long as possible to take maximum benefit of the power of compounding. So there is no right time to invest. Just invest regularly through SIP, SCP at all times for a minimum of 10 years. If you want to invest a lump sum amount of rupees 1 lakh or more, you can decide to invest in phases over the next 3 to 5 months depending on the amount of lump sum you have. For example, rupees 1 lakh can be invested in 2 to 3 installments of rupees 30,000 each. This is done so that you can take advantage of lower prices if markets fall sometime in the next few months. If your lump sum amount is around 3 to 5 lakhs or more, maybe you can decide to spread the installments over the next 4 to 5 months or so. If you are planning a lump sum investment, then you should have a plan for a minimum holding period of around 8 to 10 years while monitoring of fundamentals of companies once in 3 months. SCP SIP approach can create wealth for people without using much intelligence in guessing the high and low of markets. Investors who use too much of their intelligence in guessing when markets will rise and fall usually earn below expectation returns. Here is an announcement. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಭರತ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಅವರಿಂದ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಇವತ್ತು 30ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಜುಲೈ ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ರಾತ್ರಿ 9:15 ಲೈವ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ಚಾನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Now continuing the matter of the video, important points to follow to achieve your financial goals. 1. Every month when you receive your salary and income, keep aside at least 10 to 20% of your investment and only then use the remaining money for expenses. 2. Follow balanced asset allocation and don't invest everything in stock markets or everything in bank FDs. 3. Understand your risk appetite. Just because others are blindly investing in certain instruments, it does not mean that you should do the same. Example, many people do intraday trading, futures and options trading, commodities, cryptocurrency, etc. and lose money. Unless you can afford to lose money, stay away from such instruments. 4. Don't sacrifice everything to invest. Many people go to the extremes to save and invest money for the future. They stop eating in restaurants, watching movies, going for vacations, etc. Although you may save a lot of money by avoiding the same, you will also lose the fun element in your life. Maintain a good balance between spending for today and investing for tomorrow. End of the video, here is a question. Do you have the confidence to invest a lump sum amount at this market level? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.